Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go through what I think are essentials in terms of packing for an all-inclusive trip. So first things first, we're going to dive right on in is this collapsible straw. It does come with this cleaning tool, which is collapsible as well. What I really like about this is the fact that it's adjustable. So I'm a straw girly, okay? And a lot of resorts that I have traveled to in the Caribbean do not provide straws for your beverages. So whether you're at the pool, at a restaurant, whatever the case may be, I think they're bad for the environment, which totally fair, completely understood. But my teeth are sensitive. I need a straw. So this definitely comes in handy, and it also comes with a clip. So then you can clip it to your backpack, your purse, wherever you want to put it. Everything that you will see in this video, you can also find the links down below. Step on my list are these towel clips. So if you're going to the beach or you're going to be at a pool, these come in handy to clip your towels to the loungers or the beach chairs. Also, it does help to easily identify which lounger or beach chair is yours if you're diving into the pool or into the beach. These are very similar, but they are rubber bands. So these stretch along the towel, if that makes any sense. I'll try to insert a clip so you guys can see how these work. So these are two different options for your towels. One of my items that I actually never unpack is an umbrella. Random rainstorms can happen anywhere at any time, and I'm not about to be caught slipping. So definitely important to pack and just to have on you. Another thing to make sure that you pack is sunscreen or sunblock. So a lot of resorts do require it to be reef safe, so definitely do your research before purchasing. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and also comment below your essential items. This right here is one of my favorites. It is a waterproof fanny pack. So if you don't want to leave your valuables, let's say you have some cash on you or your phone on the lounger on the beach unattended, then you can put your items into a waterproof pouch like this. So you would just put the items in, fold it over, and it velcros, and then the straps are also adjustable. So comes in handy if you're getting into the water or doing any sort of water sports or anything where you will get wet. If you're looking for something smaller, a waterproof phone case also comes in handy. So then you can put your phone, money, cards, things of that nature in it. Another one of my favorites is this portable hand fan. I have used this in airports, I've used it on the beach, I've used it pretty much everywhere. And one cool thing about this is you can add water into that little space and it does spray out just like a slight mist. You can also use it as a table fan. It has different settings on the side where you can push it a couple times. It also changes colors. Now, personal tumbler cups are a personal preference. When I first started seeing them, I did not understand necessarily why you would just want to carry around your own cup. But when you really think about it, if you're a heavy water drinker, if you want your own beverages in your own cup, so then you know what's in it, you know where it's at, then it does make sense. So you will see a lot of people with their own personal tumbler cups at all-inclusive resorts. Bringing your own beach bag is also pretty important because then you're not lugging a bunch of stuff with you. I particularly like these because they are mesh, meaning let's say you get some sand in it, it goes right on through. So the holes are small enough to where the sand can get through, but not your big items. This one also has a zipper on the inside. Zipper was a little stuck, y'all. Okay, there we go. And it also has pocket. if you do plan on doing any water sports or water activities, or if you plan on getting into the ocean and it's pretty rocky, water shoes are very important and typically required at some locations. So the main point is that they have a really nice grip on the bottom, and it helps you from like slipping and sliding all over the place, and also just kind of protects the bottom of your feet. I always typically pack multiple portable chargers as well. This one, as you can see, is really nice because it plugs just right on the bottom of my phone. This other one is bigger and it has a flashlight right there, 3 different ports. It's my handy dandy, very used portable charger. I've had this thing for 10 years, guys, and it's still going super strong. So you never know how many outlets are in a room typically until you get there. So just make sure your devices are charged. When it comes to packing everything in the suitcase, these are a lifesaver. So these are packing squares. They look small, but when I tell you guys, they fit a lot of items into them, and they also help you stay organized. So I can stuff a lot of things into these little pouches and then throw them right on in my suitcase. And that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, remember to hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit that like button as well. And also comment down below some of your favorite essential items. And I will see you guys next time.